Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change the wing mirrors on a Mark 5 Golf. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my builds. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, there's no cars in here. There's no need to have a car in here at the moment. Now when I say I'm changing the wing mirror, I mean just the glass. I'm doing this video because it's happened to both of our Mark 5 Golfs, the GT and the R32 when I had it. And it actually happened probably, if you went to the end of my street, it'd be 100 meters that way and 100 meters that way. So I don't know if it's a common thing, but it's happened to both of them. The actual glass, the mirror part, came off the actual backing. Now, is it from the heating element? I'm not sure, but by the look of it, I think it is. So let's get out into the driveway and I'll show you how to change it. Alright, we've got no mirror. So angle it. Should be able to pull it out. There we go. Pretty easy. So we've got red. This is pretty hard to get off. Blue. I think that's got some power to it. And red. This is what happened to my Golf. Just got a hole. So red one, blue one. They actually went into here. Clip. Clip. And to that one. Pretty simple. Cool. I'll go get the keys and see how it works. All good. Alright guys, now that you know how to change it, please do not go up to another Mark 5 Golf and steal their mirrors. That's just, you're just being a piece of shit if you're doing that. So they're pretty cheap. It cost me like 15-16 bucks to put that new one on. So do the right thing, go and buy one, don't steal one. They are pretty easy to replace. So be kind to one another and don't steal other people's mirrors. Yeah, pretty simple. I did do a swap over on the Forester once when it got hit and it just shattered it, but it didn't break the actual plastic. You can see it's got some spiderweb cracks in the back side of the mirror, but that's a Subaru. Yeah, if you like this episode and it was informative, not really, and it helped you out, please leave a like. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.